This video will demonstrate one of the fastest way, at least to me, for installing the macOS. Assuming that I want to have a completely new Mac, a completely new hard drive to store data and erase all the current, making sure the power adapter is plugged, ensuring there's no power loss during the installation. And second one is repair bootable USB stick, which will reduce the OS downloading time from the internet. The third one, put your computer onto a flat surface and allows it for airflow so your computer won't become overheat. The fourth one is determine whether your Mac runs with an Intel or Apple chip. In my hand, I have the MacBook Air with the Intel chip, so it would need the Command and R for entering the recovery mode. First, I will power it up and press and hold. Press and hold until you see the Apple logo and release it. We have entered the recovery mode. Choose the disk utility. On the left panel, click on View and Show on Devices like me. So in here, internal, which is your hard disk on this Mac, and external, which is this USB. So I'm gonna select the internal and hit erase on the Mac Air and click erase. It will take time, so just wait for it. And then you got a volume, and now we need to access the disk utility. So with this one, we'll install the Mac OS version. You can select it and click on continue. What it will do, it will download the installation file from the internet through the Wi-Fi, which is very slow. So I'm gonna reboot this Mac and enter the bootable USB. Press option. So here I have entered the bootable USB. You need to check on the support Apple for whether this Mac is compatible with version. So I have checked it already, and this Mac can install the Big Sur. So I select it. I'll click on it and wait. Click on the install Mac OS Big Sur and hit continue. Agree with the license and agreement. Yeah, totally agree. So from here it will prompt you to select which volume to install it. We click on here and continue. So yeah, from here you can take a nap or brewing some coffee and then come back after 30 minutes. So after a long wait and reboot many times, it finally comes to the setup screen, which is the installation has finished.